Let us welcome Journal Manager, Bank of Maharashtra, Ms. Santosh Dular, to give insight into bankers' perspective in loan application process and Stand Up India scheme. Welcome, ma'am. Santosh, ma'am.
Santoshi?
Naman, is she unmuted?
Can you please? Santoshi, can you unmute yourself? Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Yes, good afternoon all. I'm thankful to the Kobe people and the Siddhi people who had given this opportunity today to be a part of this program. And happy Women's Day to all women present over here. And it's a privilege for me to speak. I'm working as a zonal manager in Bank of Maharashtra, Jaipur zone. This covers the Rajasthan state over here. Stand Up India was the plan of the PM Honorable Modi to give a boost to the young entrepreneurs, especially for women and SC/ST cadre, to give a boost to the economy and at the grassroots level to go for the economy upgradation. So this is all Stand Up India is specially designed for the greenfield projects. That is a new project which any woman entrepreneur or SC/ST entrepreneur want to set up a unit so they can take the benefit of this scheme which was launched by Government of India in 2016. In this scheme particularly, what they have to see that this project should be, the viability of the project should be seen at their level in whatever field. If they are coming with any greenfield project, this is not having any relevance with particular site, that they should be they can go for one particular industry or setup. In any of the industry, they can go for setup of their project. That is basically these three cadres are allowed in this scheme. That is women, SC and ST. And in this, when they set up any of the unit, first of all, they should see that whether their project is viable. From financial point of view, when you give your project report to any of the bankers, some parameters are always looked by the bankers. That is, the financial viability should be there in that particular project. And financial viability, when we see in any of the particular project, we have to see that how much capital has been involved by that particular promoter or entrepreneur. So if the entrepreneur, and they have to keep, as per any of the schemes, 25 margin has to be taken by care by the promoter and the person who is establishing that particular unit. So 25% margin, that much capital, if he or she involves in that project, in that case, they can start their new project. And the second thing which they have to see, that 4 times they can go for the bank funding. That can comprise of your term loan as well as the working capital. That composite loan can be considered on the basis of their how much machinery they want. So for the machinery, they can go for the term loan, and for the routine expenses, they can take the working capital. So this is how they can compose their loan portfolio, and they can ask and they can apply. For applying this loan, they have to go to the Stand Up India portal. In Stand Up India portal, they can file their registration, and on the basis of the registration, they get an opportunity to select any of the bank. So they can select the bank as per their choice, and in after selecting the bank, they can approach to that particular bank and they can submit their report, and they can see that CGTMSE coverage is also there, and NCGCT coverage is also there. By the time they don't get the NCGCT coverage, till that time CGTMSE coverage is there, that is up to 2 CR. But in this Stand Up India scheme, there is a facility of 1 CR. From 10 lakh rupees to 1 CR, they can avail the loan. And in that also, they can form the composition of term loan as well as of working capital. So when they come up for this funding, so these all aspects they have to see, that the project report should be on the basis of from where they are purchasing the machines. So they have to have quotations in their hand. Then they should submit the quotations along with the application. They should come out, and their KYC should be with them. Their registration on the Stand Up India portal should be there. And then after seeing all these things, the security, if they give a collateral security means where they are setting up any of the project, other than that security becomes a primary security. Other than that primary security, if they are giving the second security, that can be considered as a collateral security. On the collateral security, there is an option of getting a discount in rate of interest. So that rate of interest discount varies from 0.25% to 0.75%. So that is an add-on advantage to them to get a reduction in rate of interest if they offer a collateral security. Otherwise, if they don't have the collateral security, in that case, on the basis of the primary security, they can take the funding from any of the bank which is suitable to them, where they are already banking, or in that case, any nearby bank branch where they can approach for the purpose of funding. So after submitting all these documents, the security documents and as well as the application and these things, then the bank can consider their project on the viability, technical viability, financial viability, that yes, we can go ahead. The promoter's qualification also matters, that whether they have any kind of experience in that particular field, because that is must for the development of that particular project. So these all are the things which are having the relevance in Stand Up India, or for any kind of funding facility which is required by any of the promoter when they set up any of the unit. So considering all these aspects, I can sum up over here that we can always take a benefit of starting any of the new project because the funds are not in our hands. So in that case, we can always approach to any of the bank and take a facility, and then we can go ahead with our project, and we can be a part of the economic development of the country as well as of the growth of that particular industry, or we can say the growth of that particular state in that with the industry wise. So thank you very much for this opportunity which has been given by the COVI people and the SIDBI people. I'm really thankful. Any kind of query is there, I can answer for those queries. Thank you very much.